I am Komal Wahi, and today I will introduce the concept of for loops in Python. We know that while loops keep looping while its condition is true. But what if we want to run a code a specific number of times? Yes, you are correct. In this case, we use a for loop statement and a range function. Now let's see how will the code look like in this case. Here we will have the for keyword, a variable name, the in keyword, a call to the range method, a colon and a for clause which starts from the next line. Now let's look at an example and see the mechanism behind the code. So this Python snippet which you can see looks really complicated. Let me explain you with the help of a flowchart. The code in the for loop clause, that is Jimmy 5 times, runs for 5 times. The first time it is run, the variable is set to 0. The print call in the clause will print Jimmy 5 times bracket 0. After the Python finishes an iteration, the execution goes back to the top of the loop and the for statement is increments I by 1. This is why range 5 results in 5 iterations with I being set to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and after 4 the loop stops. Similarly, if we check out the next example, let's see, suppose fam contains the height of a particular group, that is 1, 2 until 7. The code will look like this in that case. That is, for heights in fam, print heights. It simply prints all the heights in the list fam, starting with 1, 2 and it goes on till 7. After the 7th height gets printed, the iteration is stopped. Now the question is, where exactly are we going to use such interesting codes? Analysts use a lot of for loops to ease out their work. That is, if you want to run a particular analysis in each column of the dataset, then for loop is the best help. Also, very common example could be when we put your favorite song in a repeat for like 5 times. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.